Richmont students are phenomenal in a lot of ways. I think that one of the key factors why I would hire a Richmont grad is that they've been trained holistically. The focus of our graduate training and program is on the whole person. We want them to understand theories and application of clinical practices really well so that they can provide ethically and culturally competent care to the highest degree.
For example, right now I'm taking CBT, and half of the class is spent in teaching us how to do CBT, and then the second half of the class is spent in mock counseling sessions where you're being watched and you're being prompted to go ahead and counsel someone using, that particular technique. So there's always opportunities for hands-on practice.
Having been involved with Richmont since 2004, I've seen a lot of clinicians. Some of my former students are now my colleagues. And what I love about them is they are going to great lengths to say, okay, I've got my license, but how can I be even better? How can I be a better clinician? And they're continuing to grow and to connect, and they go into such wonderful different areas. They're just amazing men and women who are not satisfied with just being good enough. They really want to be the best, and I love that about our students and our alum.